Hi, in this video we want to see why computers were invented and look at the history of them. For a long time, people have invented tools to help them in their tasks, but most of these tools were to help humans in physical tasks. At some point, people wondered what if we use tools to help our brains? And therefore, we made compasses to help us in navigation, clocks for figuring out time, and abacus for calculations. And perhaps invention of abacus is the beginning of history of computers, because that's what they literally do, they compute. They were invented in 2700 BCE and they work very straightforward. Let's say our simple abacus has 4 rods. Each rod represents a place value like units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. To show the number 3 or to show 7, we just move the beads that are in the first rod. To show 12, you slide one of the beads in the second rod to the side to represent the 1 and 2 beads in the first rod to represent the 2. More complex numbers work the same way. Later on, more complex tools were developed to help with other mathematical tasks. Napier bones were among these tools. Napier's bones, invented by John Napier, the discoverer of logarithms, were used for multiplication and division. Another tool was called Pascaline, that was invented by Blaise Pascal when he was only 19 and was able to calculate addition and subtraction using its mechanical gears. Now, the first time that we hear the word computer is in the 17th century, but it wasn't referring to a machine, but rather was a job title. Computers were people doing calculations, using mechanical calculators and, of course, their knowledge in mathematics. But then Gottfried Leibniz comes up with a new idea. He thought it is beneath human dignity to do calculations when anyone can do it using a machine. So he came up with this device that could do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and was the tool that humans used for calculation for the next 3 centuries. Well, that was it for the part 1. Stay with us in part 2 to learn how America's overpopulation and the world wars created computers that we know today.